Alright, so in this short video, I just wanted to go over one of the main issues with this program to make sure that you're aware of this before you get started or when you get started. Some people may have connections with getting postcards printed either at their own facility or through someone else they know or another place that they have previously done business with. So this is really the most important issue to know, and I'm going to make this short video just to cover this because there's a specific document included in the welcome kit that talks about this topic. So it says here, urgent memo. Unfortunately, there have been some bad apples that would try to undermine iKeepItAll.com and try to deter you away and print through them the postcards so that they could get a kickback behind the scenes. Avoid anyone that tries to badmouth what we do, how we do it, or try to get you to do your printing elsewhere, or try to copy our postcards. Please be advised that such actions will not be tolerated and that person will be permanently terminated from this program indefinitely. Think about this. If they don't play by the rules, it just demonstrates their character and who they truly are, and they cannot be trusted. So I'm going to save you the time from reading through all this because it basically says we make the best postcards. Our postcards are made a certain way to get the type of results that we get using them, which means we use the premium quality postcards without cutting any corners, right? They make the absolute best. And that if somebody else is trying to tell you that they can do the same postcard for less money and don't buy it through the company, it's copywritten material. And if you buy any postcards through someone else, or if you create any postcards on your own that are copying the design, you're going to be terminated from the program and they'll probably seek legal action. However, at the bottom here, it does say there's a licensing fee. It says, if you would like a PDF and want to print the postcards on your own, the cost for copyright licensing is $2,000 per year, and it must be paid up front by money order or cashier's check only and approved prior to printing. And they also mention here that they frequently change the designs, the colors, and they test the market for postcard responses, and therefore the copyright registered postcards are continually being improved and changing to keep the program fresh. So that's it. Just you have to purchase the postcards from them. If not, you have to get licensed to do so. All right, let's go into the next topic.